Isn't it lovely? All alone, heart made of glass, my mind of stone. Tear me to pieces, skin and bone.
Hi guys, welcome back. Today's video is about this purple halo eye makeup look, and I really love how this turned out. I haven't had the chance to use this Super Shock shadow. This is from ColourPop. This is their ultra metallic shadow, and this is in the shade Issa look. So I was very inspired by this shadow to create this makeup look, and I don't know if the camera picks the reflex because this is absolutely gorgeous. And yes, I did use the lip liner on my waterline. Don't do this at home. I did this at my own risk. So yeah, if you want to see how I achieved this makeup look, then please keep watching. Alright, first I'm going to prep my lids with concealer, and to set that I'm going to use Vanilla Cream from the Latte palette. And for my transition shade, I'm going to start with Caramel, and I'm not going to focus too much on this eyeshadow because I'm going to apply other eyeshadows on top, so basically this will disappear, but I do really like to use a transition shade, if that makes sense. Then I'm going with Pumpkin Spice, and I'm going to build a little bit this color on my lids, and I'm not very precise with this eyeshadow. So because I'm going to use a shimmery shade, I wanted to have a base underneath to make that shimmery shade pop, to be more vibrant, if that makes sense. So here I'm using double shot, and I'm going to create that halo eye effect. And don't worry if you cannot achieve that with eyeshadow. We are going to use concealer a little bit later, so we are going to perfect that. So don't worry too much. So basically this is what I'm doing here, adding more color, blending, adding more color and blending. So yeah. Alright, this is the star of this show, and I'm not very used with this formula, but I do like it. So to apply this, I'm using a flat synthetic brush, and as you can see, I'm not moving around too much the brush. I'm just packing the color, and I'm going to build a lot this color. Then I'm going to take a small pencil brush, and I'm going to perfect those edges, and then I'm going back with double shot for more perfection, I guess. I wanted those edges to be as perfect as they can be. I don't know. I tried my best, okay? Using the same concealer, I'm going to create that blind spot in the center of my lid, and I'm really taking my time to perfect this. As you can see, I changed the brush. Then I'm going again with Issa, and I'm going to buff those edges, and I wanted to achieve that perfect ombre transition in there, if that makes sense. Then I'm taking Illusion from the BH Cosmetics highlight palette, and I'm going to cut that crease, like I'm going to perfect that cut crease in there. And yeah, basically that's it. And this makeup look requires a lot of patience. So if you are in a rush, I'm pretty sure you don't want to get into this because it won't look nice. It took me like 20 minutes to create what you see right here. I know some people will say that this is too much makeup, but I do really like to call it art. I don't know. You tell me, is this too much makeup or is this art? Let me know. Okay, on my bottom lash line, I'm going to apply just a little bit of this black pencil. Then I'm going to buff that out. And then I'm going again with double shot. And basically, I'm going to create the same ombre effect that I did on my lid. So I'm going with double shot and then with Issa, and after that I'm going with pumpkin spice. Next, I'm going to line my lash line because I'm going to apply falsies, so I didn't want that lash band to show that much. Okay, so this is a lip liner. My recommendation is don't do this at home. I'm going to do this at my own risk, so don't do what I do or don't do what I say. I don't know. Don't do this at home, okay? And I do really like the effect that this red liner gives to this makeup look. I don't know, I just like it. Next, I'm going to apply my Ardell lashes. These are Wispies, I guess. And I don't know, for some reason I wanted to include that part, so here I am. I hope you enjoyed my video. Please subscribe if you haven't already. Take care and I will see you in my next one. Mwah. Calm down, okay? Hi guys. No. Yeah. Hi guys. Shock.